Okay, what is up, guys? It's Matt Master Builder here. Here I have a thing from Brickmania that I'm gonna open up. It's mostly guns, like brick arms and stuff. So let's open it up. It's also Vietnam War stuff. There's some stuff right there. A note that's saying all the stuff I did get. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, the first thing I got was an M60 machine gun. Ow. Not put it there. Let's build that right now. Snazzy. One M60 machine gun. Okay, I also got a bunch of other guns. Like, what else did I get? Okay. Let's see, what did I apply? What did I get? I got 2 ammo clips because I don't have any. One M79 grenade launcher, the thump gun or blooper, an M1 pot helmet that says "Born to Kill" on it, right there. Magazine for my M16s. Or AR-15s or something. An M21 sniper rifle. 2 AKMs. Or AK-47s, but it says AKM. An M203 grenade launcher for the M16s, but it doesn't attach. Walther P38 pistol for my Germans, and then 3 M16s. So expect a lot of upcoming Vietnam War builds in the future, because I've been on a Vietnam War kick and I am really excited. I'm a little disappointed because I thought the M203 grenade launcher, you could attach it to the M16s, but I guess you can't. That's unfortunate, but you know, had to happen. And yeah, I'm glad I bought these, and expect more vids in the future. And like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you liked this video. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.